Learn English through riddles. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. What month of the year has 28 days? All of them. What is full of holes but still holds water? A sponge. What can you break, even if you never pick it up or touch it? A promise. What gets wet while drying? A towel. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? A barber. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? A bank. What can't talk but will reply when spoken to? An echo. I follow you all the time, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? Your shadow. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? A piano. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.